Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most stunning and classical designs of kitchen decor. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique kitchen designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. So viewers, share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decoration ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. You know viewers, different people have different choices and they love different types of decor ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your place for outstanding looks. Thank you viewers for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your decorations. So viewers, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your prayers. See you soon viewers. Take care and Allah Hafiz.